You had mentioned earlier that when you were younger that you were a tomboy. And
Yeah,
you were born a female. You now live as a male.
born mostly female, but I was born intersex actually, and the doctors removed the tiny penis. It's better, it's easier to remove something than to add, if you know what I mean. So if a baby was born with both, they usually just made it a girl.
So you were
I
born
understand how
with
doctors work.
yeah, you were born with both genitalia.
Yeah, I
They
even have. I was born with. I even had like female reproductive parts. Ovary and ovaries and the uterus, and I also have um, a prostate. The doctor, I had to go to the hospital 3 years ago because I was having pain in my left side, and they said that my prostate was okay. And I said, "What do you mean prostate? I never knew I had a prostate." So because of that, it also cemented the fact that I was born both genders. I went to the birth hospital where I was born, and I asked him about it too, because I was having sex with someone when I was in Key West, Florida in 2012. He says, "It looks like you had surgery down there." I'm like, "What are you talking about?" He says, "It looks like you had surgery, like it was something cut off." So I also asked about that, and they said that I was most likely born hermaphrodite, which they call intersex today. And being told I have that
did you
prostate that
have
cemented it. Women don't
did
have prostates.
did you have periods though?
Yep. I was raised a female. I had female parts. I had breasts. I mean, according to some people, they said I was actually attractive, but I never felt attractive. Most women are not comfortable in their own bodies, even beautiful women. Women are taught in this country to feel like shit. They see the magazines, they see on TV, they get this message all the time since they're little girls that you have to look a certain way or you're nothing. And even then, they don't feel comfortable. I never felt comfortable as a female. I mean, I actually had nice boobs. They were huge and they were nice too. And I cut perfectly good boobs off. People think I'm fucking nuts for doing that. Maybe I am. But the thing is, I don't regret it. I like the way my clothes fit me now, and I feel comfortable. Although I'm not comfortable with the fact that the doctor he cut the nipples off. He didn't ask if I wanted to keep the nipples. He just cut them right off. There's no nipples. He says, "Well, guys don't like nipples." I said, "That's not the point. Men have nipples. So what kind of fucking doctor does a thing like that?"
You said earlier you were a tomboy growing up. So
Yeah,
did you feel like a boy at that point? Were you attracted to women?
never. I always liked guys. I don't know if that's because I was bred to.